Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. So this is part of a series of 8 really easy videos on how to draw animals using just one circle. So find yourself something circular to draw around. I'm using this glass here. Pop it in the centre of the page, get yourself a pen and draw around it. So you can start off with pen and pencil if you like. I'm just going straight into pen. And remember, you can pause this video at any moment if it's going too quickly for you. There we go. So there's my circle. Next, I'm going to draw the nose right in the centre of the page. So just draw a big black circle in the centre of your page. There we go. Next, draw a line coming down, just like this. And then a little smiley face. Up like so. We're going to draw an oval to the left. It's going to be one eye. And we're going to draw an oval to the right, which is the other eye. Try and get them the same kind of size and shape. I know it's not easy, but there we go. And then draw a little oval inside, followed by one on the other side. And then a little mini circle. Same on the other side. We're now going to colour this in. And the same on this side. Just like that. I'm just going to try and make that a little bit more rounded. There we go. Next we're going to draw one ear. So draw the dog's ear coming down like that, and then the same on the other side. And there's your finished dog drawing. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out the others in the series and hit subscribe and like, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.